Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this cute little summer dress. Let's get started! Fold your basic t-shirt in half and fold the sleeves inwards. Take a piece of paper and trace the outline of the t-shirt on it. Rectify the outline if you want to make the neck a little deeper or the shoulder length a little shorter. Now draw a line 1.5 inch away from the outline and cut along the line. Pin the paper pattern onto a fabric which is folded in half and then cut along the outline. Cut 2 pieces of this fabric, one for the front and one for the back of the dress. For the lining of the dress, I took a cotton fabric and repeated the same steps. Now make a stack of all 4 pieces that we just cut out in this particular order. Draw a line on both sides of the pattern at 1.5 inch away from the edge. Pin all 4 layers of the fabric together and stitch along the line. Make 2 folds on the lining fabric. Make a mark at a distance of 4.5 inches from the corner if your waist size is 28 inches. Refer to the description box below to find the exact distance based on your waist size. For the length of the skirt, measure the distance from the curve that we just cut out and then cut along the line. I measured mine at 14 inches away from the curve. Repeat the same step for the main printed fabric. You can either measure it again or just trace the outline of the lining fabric onto the main fabric. Make sure to keep the length of the skirt longer than the lining fabric, at least by 3 inches. Now open up both of the fabrics and pin them together at the shorter curve and then stitch them together. Place the top half of the dress upside down inside the donut piece and pin it to the waist of the skirt. Now carefully stitch both the pieces together. Once you're done, flip the dress inside out. Stitch the hem of the lining fabric as well as the printed fabric separately. Create 2 folds so that the yarn doesn't fray over time. For the strap of the dress, make a 2-inch wide strip of fabric. First fold it in towards the center and then fold it in half and iron it. Make a stitch line on both the sides of the strap so that it stays flat. Now for the neckline, do the exact same thing we had done for the hemline. Create 2 thin folds and pin it in place. Then stitch along the sleeves and the neckline. Attach both the straps on the neckline of the dress. On the other side of the dress, stitch a hook in place. Measure 6 inches on the strap and stitch a loop in order to secure the hook. Style this dress with a thin belt and make sure to have fun twirling in your own creation. If you guys do attempt to make this dress, send me pictures of it or tag me on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on this link here to watch my previous videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!